Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Valgro India Limited. Today I will introduce you one of the deburring and finishing series SLR24, which can do deburring, finishing and edge rounding. In the machine, this is the main switch which you have to do on and off, and the machine will on, and this is the HMI display. Here shows all the adjustment of belt and conveyor. You can see the display for adjustment and machine. The SLR series have two heads. Let me show you the head of it. This is the first head of SLR series which have a abrasive belt. It also have a limited switch and belt tension for belt adjustment. The second head of SLR series which have a disc brush which deburring and edge rounding. This is a pipe which is provided for the dust collecting system.